What be this? What be this? Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Wait. Let me go and use myself. I'll come back.
This is very important now, please.
Yes, I'll come back. It's unbelievable.
One more question, please. I understand you're the breadwinner of your family.
I'm hearing this allegation for the first time. Jesus! And I know it is the work of those agents who want to tarnish my name and my image so that I cannot run for the second
God
time.
have mercy upon us.
I've never in any way engaged myself in any competition of winning bread. So as for those who kill him, I'm a breadwinner. Where they saw me winning bread?
I want problems.